Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. You need to begin by opening settings and choosing themes section here. Now select themes at the bottom left corner, click on the best one for you, choose download and log in into your Samsung account. After that you will be able to see apply over here and tap on it. If you wish to, you can always go into menu at the bottom right corner over here, click on my stuff, choose any theme that you downloaded or the default one, click on it, select apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my theme was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!